Hi everyone! In this video we will find equations of exponential functions using any points. Construct the exponential function that contains the points 2, 48, and 5, 3072. To find an exponential function, it follows the form f of x equals a times b raised to the x, where a is the initial value, also known as the y-intercept, and b is the common ratio. We weren't given either of those, so let's go ahead and put what we do know into our equation. We have an x and a y and an x and a y. We're going to use both of those to find a. By substituting those in, we have 48 equals a times b raised to the second power, and 3072 equals a times b raised to the fifth power. Now we can solve both of these equations for a by dividing the first one by b squared and the second one by b to the fifth. We end up with two equations where a equals 48 over b squared. We also have a equals 3072 over b to the fifth. Because a equals a, we can go ahead and set both of these equations equal to each other and solve for b. This gives us the equation 48 over b squared equals 3072 over b to the fifth. To solve for b, we'll use cross multiplication, giving us 48 times b to the fifth equals 3072 times b squared. Dividing both sides by b squared gives us 48 b to the third equals 3072. Now we can divide both sides by 48, which gives us b cubed equals 3072 divided by 48 is 64. Now we need to find the cube root of both sides. The cube root of b cubed is b, and the cube root of 64 is 4, so now we have b. And now that we have b, we can find a by substituting b into either of our equations here. I'm going to choose the smaller of the two to make things a little easier. A equals 48 over b squared, substituting 4 in for b. B squared is 16, and 48 divided by 16 gives us 3, so a equals 3. Now we have our two things that we need to substitute in for an exponential function, giving us the function f of x equals a, which is 3, times b, which is 4, raised to the exponent of x, and now we have our exponential function given these 2 points, and we're all done.